Assalamualaikum to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Suriana. We are from Group 5. We present the content of our Industrial Thought Report. University Malaysia of Kelantan was held an international conference on entrepreneurship, business and technology in Sep last year. It is the virtual conference titled Technology and Digital Transformation in Strengthening Entrepreneurship and Business during and post-COVID-19. The speaker of this conference is an emeritus professor of economics from RMIT University, Jason Potts. Let's get to know a bit about Jason Potts and a few of his innovation projects. Jason Potts is an expert in the study of digital entrepreneurship and digital innovation. Besides being a lecturer, he is also a co-director of the RMIT Blockchain Innovation Hub. They are using blockchain technology to innovate and better understand how it functions in both business and society. One of the projects that currently progress, which is Digital Tree. D3 known as a front door to the digital economy. D3 can assist industry to quickly adopt new skills, find solutions to emerging problems, and create opportunities that use new digital technologies. This creation is an evolution towards blockchain that will influence entrepreneurship. In this conference, Jason Pott explains more about the nature transition, which is the industrial economies to digital economies changes.
My name is Nurul Hijrahtul Munawaroh binti Syawal and my metric number is A20A1866. In his talk, Prof. Jason Potts explained about what is a blockchain. A blockchain is important because it is the base layer technology that keeps track of all the other information. The important thing about blockchain technologies is that they are an institutional technology for keeping track of all the information and record keeping registries and ownership, identity, contract, payments, and other aspects that government ledgers, government registries, banks, or different types of the base layer and institutional infrastructure previously provided. Then, blockchain takes all those money contracting registries of ownership, identity, payments, and layers all the infrastructure to track social facts in an economy that enables those to be entirely digitized. This is a significant step beyond using computers and the internet as communication technologies. One way of describing blockchains for those from a computer science or technical background is that a blockchain is called a state machine. A state machine keeps track of the state, which is the current register of facts or data in a system, and every time something changes, it updates that state. Next, the idea of having, which is also the same thing that economic infrastructure provides around ownership, the form of payments being made, and other aspects of an economy is common knowledge about economic facts. The other digital things that we can build, such as communication between humans and machine, that is what we call Internet of Things, IoT. We can also communicate between people to store information and have others access it. That is a cloud. We can bring automation or automated decision making into a system. That is why blockchain technology is the base layer technology of this supercluster of technologies marking this transition to a digital economy.
The digital economy is the second phase of the digital revolution, ushered by computers and the internet. The first phase was fueled by a dramatic decline in the price of computation, known as the price of computer and processor. Computer hardware includes desktop, laptop, and other similar devices. The first significant effect of the internet's digital transformation was decline in the cost of communication. We are now in this period of transition. However, the growth of digital age is accompanied by the building of digital economic infrastructure, including digital money and contracting. Second, the digital age. The transition from Web 1 to Web 2 to Web 3 is the economic revolution we are going through now. It is not computers, but computers being used fundamentally in the economy in a profound institutional manner. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Prof. Jason Potts provide a visual metaphor for an industry and digital economy. An industry economy has industry that comprise part of the economy, sector and industry. In the vertical state, there is an agriculture, manufacturing, healthcare and tourism industry. They have economic growth from those sectors, and we measure the economy in terms of those sectors. It has all the financial infrastructure, which is the provisions of money, the conditions of identity, legal, regulation, public voting, democracy, or other sort of financial management system given by the government economic infrastructure. The creations of industry economy began not only with the developments of new industry such as iron, steel, oil, tourism or agriculture, but also with the constructions of those business on top of public sector economy infrastructure. The transactions to a digital economy is a new type of economy with a different overall agriculture than an industrial one. It is composed of a protocol, cybersecurity, governance, and a service layer. Common public infrastructure is the way to think about the nature of the transactions from the industrial economy to the digital economy. A new type of economy become a digital economy with a different overall agriculture than an industrial economy. The most obvious way to make the decisions in the digital economy is not made of industry. Instead, it's comprised layer of economic infrastructure and various other apps that stack themselves up and down. I will pass to the next presenter, Nurina. Thank you.
Thank you, Ellisya. Next, I will present about supercluster of new digital technologies of business automation. According to Prof. Jason Potts, we are entering a radical evolution toward a digital economy, which has been happening rapidly for about 10 years. The first wave of digital, which was just communication, and the second wave of digital economy, which is fundamentally based on business automation. Prof. Jason does a lot on crypto, which is the new type of digital money, and blockchain, and its distributed ledger, which include AI and machine learning. Then it has a cloud distributed on computing platforms such as Amazon, Microsoft, and others. It provides computer service instead of having them on their own on local devices. It can read the temperature state whether there are people in a room or other physical objects such as bridge or something that can connect on a physical connection. Next, a set of technologies associated with augmented reality and virtual reality called the metaverse or gaming creates many people, whether tens of thousands, that can interact in digital environment. Another part of that puzzle is the ability to do super fast or low latency computing. Then 5G or eventually 6G will accelerate computing technologies with quantum chips and other types of quantum computing.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Thank you to Nurina for explanation just now. So I will continue with my part about the conclusion. My name is Muhamad Izuan Syafiq bin Shahudin. My metric number is A20A2153. The overall conference title is about technology and digital transformation in strengthening entrepreneurship and business during and post-COVID-19 was delivered by guest speaker Jason Potts. In this conference, it highlight four important elements, which is one, blockchain technology, two, entrepreneurship in digital economy, three is about industrial economy and digital economy, and the last one is about the supercluster of new digital technology of business automation. Each of these mentioned elements has their own role and advantage over each other. Besides that, finance is easier to access through token, making a digital economy more competitive than an industrial economy. Innovation policy shift from industry policy to public support for this development, while intellectual property is less significant. Government should focus on education and communication and digital infrastructure provision. With this kind of talk, it helps Malaysia now to understand more deeply about technology and the digital information. The knowledge provided can be used to help develop the Malaysia economy. This is all from me and my group. Thank you.